The complete overhaul of a Breitling mechanical chronograph is a substantial professional intervention performed in a certified center and in compliance with a strict procedure. First of all, the watchmaker opens the case back using a special key and removes the movement. The latter is entirely taken apart, and the mechanical parts subjected to the greatest stresses are systematically replaced. These may include the mainspring or the reverser wheel of the automatic winding mechanism. In the same way, each constituent part is meticulously scrutinized and replaced in case of wear. All parts, without exception, are then carefully cleaned. Then comes the longest phase, that of reassembling the movement. Lubrication plays a key role in the quality of an overhaul. The points to be lubricated, the types of oils, their exact quantity, or the method of applying them are governed by a set of specifications that must be duly respected to ensure an optimal result. Once the movement is lubricated, the watchmaker proceeds to check all the operational parameters. Meanwhile, the case is also completely dismantled. The most sensitive parts, and those most subject to stresses and strains, are replaced, starting with all joints and the click spring. The case and metal bracelet are polished to restore their original shine. Polishing is an operation that should never be underestimated. The polisher's expertise is essential, enabling him to eliminate scratches, yet without modifying the shapes or angles of the case. All of the parts are cleaned in an ultrasound bath and then rinsed and carefully dried. The case is ready to be reassembled. Before casing up, the dial is fixed to the movement and new hands are put in place. After hermetically sealing the case back, the watchmaker checks the functions as well as the water resistance. It then undergoes a 3-day quality control, during which the effectiveness of the self-winding mechanism is monitored, along with power reserve, precision, chronograph functions, and calendar synchronization, all of which is followed by a detailed aesthetic control. It is only after this rigorous control procedure that the chronometer will be returned to its owner, with the assurance of a Breitling certified quality service.